Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect this door connector for an Audi A4 B8. So basically, to disconnect this we need a spudger, or how these tools are called. You can see that place right there where we kind of need to insert it and start lifting the top of this connector. It's not going to go easy, especially for me doing this with my left hand and trying to film at the same time. But it should be going in the end. Normally I should also try to lift from the other side. So yeah, I think at this point my fingers are actually doing a better job than the spudger, but it needs to be pulled more than this. So yeah, I don't think this was ever moved since the car was built. It's gonna be quite stuck in there. This side wants to go, but the other side is really stuck. It went a bit higher now. So you basically just pull on it. And it's released. You can see how much it needs to be lifted to release. And now let's look inside this connector. And now, after you checked whatever you needed, you just put it back, align it, wiggle it in place as much as you can, and in theory you should start pushing on the end of it. And it's locked back in place.